Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram story template. So first of all, open up the Instagram, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click on my story at the top left right here. Let's say for example I want to choose this photo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click the sticker at the top next to the text, right? You're going to see next to the music and the text. Go ahead and click the sticker, and here you're going to see a pop-up window, and you're going to be able right here to see an option called add yours template. So I'm going to click on it, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see under the white kind of thing, you're gonna see like a chess or like a flipping coin or something like that, right? So you're gonna just go ahead and flip it, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see a new template. Go ahead and double click, same thing, you're gonna see multiple templates that you can use for your story, and I'm gonna choose like this one, and I'm gonna hit next at the top right to add it as a template. So I'm gonna just continue adding it as a template, and then basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.